Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add your company logo to the main menu section just to make it a little bit more branding on your actual EPOS system. So firstly, we'll log in, I'll show you what I mean. So basically we can put a logo here effectively just to give yourself a little bit more branding on your actual EPOS system, make it a bit more personal to yourself. So what we'll do is we'll go to Settings Administration, Software Settings. And then what we'll do, we'll go to Basic Store Settings. And then we'll go to Resources to actually upload that image on there. So what we'll do, we'll click on Add. And then that's the one we want right there. So we'll go to Open on that one. And then we will give it a name. I'll just call this Banner. Accept that on there. Alright, and there you go. That's thrown in there. Generally speaking, I wouldn't go any higher. The actual area of space you've got to play with, height-wise, anything between 80 to 90 pixels. I wouldn't go any higher than that or lower. Obviously, length can be pretty long, but obviously it's just the height you're restricted to. So once we've actually got that under the system, what we'll do is we'll go back to the software settings, and then we will type in the keyword filter as well. We'll type in logo, and then we have it got main menu. Logo image resource name. So obviously we'll change that and call that banner to what I've called it in the resource section. We'll press save settings on that one, and there you go, boom, straight away. So you've got your logo on there, bit of branding, bit of personalization for your EPOS system. There you go. That was just a quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Do hope that was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll check you out next time. Take care.